welcome to another video. Today's ForeFlight follow-along takes us near Temecula, California. We're about 15 minutes out from landing at French Valley Airport, a busy, uncontrolled airport. And if you look at the comments as I did, you'll note that pilots are talking about how busy it is and the importance of radio calls. And today's flight has slight winds out of the north down there to calm, and the calm runway is 18, but if winds are out of the north, then it's 36. So I'm really not going to know until I get closer, until I see the traffic flow. Anyway, if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit like and notifications so you know when others come around. And we're going to skip down to about 15 or so minutes out from landing as we're talking to March approach.
French Valley Airport, automated weather observation. 1801 Zulu, weather, wind 340 at 6, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 18 Celsius, dew point -4, altimeter 3012.
SoCal Paris 3, March approach, Paris 3, jumpers away, and we're in the pattern.
Paris 3, roger.
All right, so it looks like the winds are favoring runway 36, which is right traffic at French Valley. And I'm going to end up, let's see, 1300 is 2300 plus 500 is 2800. So we'll cross over midfield at 2800 and then enter right traffic. And we'll start our descent in a minute.
SoCal, March approach, Cherokee 130, Julie Mike, would like to begin our VFR descent.
Juliet Mike, VFR descent approved, pilot's discretion.
Sending pilot's discretion, 0 Juliet Mike.
And Paris 2, you can contact SoCal.
Over to SoCal, Paris 2.
Where's the reservoir? Oh, I see it.
You can see the airport?
No. Juliet Mike, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, piece change approved, have a good day.
Frequency change approved, squawking VFR, 0 Juliet Mike, have a good day. French Valley Airport, Cherokee 130, Juliet Mike, 10 miles to the west inbound, descending out of 4,500. We're going to cross over midfield, 0 Juliet Mike, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Comanche November 55 Charlie Yankee, going to line up and wait on runway 36 for a right downwind departure to the east.
All right, let's get our checklist out of the way. So we got lights, fuel pump, master, mixture, primers, lags. Fuel's on the left. Back, seat belts.
French Valley traffic, helicopter 36 home, Mike, fly over intersection 15 and 215.
Hey, Benny, traffic, jumpers away. All traffic in the area, please remain north of the I-10 freeway, jumpers away.
Go flight, go button 1. French Valley traffic, Archer 76, Quebec. Clear the active at Alpha 3, taxiing straight across the midfield parking.
French Valley Airport, Cherokee 130, Julia Mike, 7 miles to the west. We're going to cross midfield about 3,000 feet and descend runway 36. French Valley.
Switch to
French Valley is on 340, going to line up and wait 36 northbound departure, French Valley. Traffic 9042 Quebec, just over Lake Skinner Dam, 2,500 maneuvering French Valley. French Valley is on 340, departing 36 northbound French Valley.
And Danny, traffic, jump 2 is on the north side of the freeway, entering a left downwind for runway 8 for a full stop, Danny.
French Valley traffic, Comanche 55 Charlie Yankee, turning right cross. French Valley, taking the active runway 36, I'll be a left crosswind departure.
French Valley Airport, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, 5 miles to the west, descending at a 3,700. We're going to cross midfield into right traffic, runway 36, French Valley.
French Valley is on 340 on the upwind, going to be turning left crosswind for northbound departure, French Valley.
Yeah, French Valley traffic 340 Mike Juliet is on the runway 36. I'll be left crosswind departing the area to the west once I get going. I'm rolling right now.
French Valley traffic, helicopter 364 Mike on 45 degrees into left downwind for taxiway 36.
French Valley traffic, Comanche 55 Charlie Yankee. It's going to be maneuvering over Lake Mayo at 4,500 French Valley.
French Valley traffic, 38 Alpha taking runway 36 for a right crosswind departure, French Valley.
Safe, runway 8, full stop, Benny.
French Valley Airport, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, 2.5 miles to the west. We're going to cross over midfield at 3,000 feet into right traffic, 36, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Scott 904 to Quebec, over Lake Skinner to the south, maneuvering 2,500, French Valley.
French Valley traffic 340 Mike
Traffic,
Juliet on the
9
left
o'clock,
crosswind.
2 miles,
Off of
800 feet
runway 36,
below.
French Valley, I got that Cherokee that departed ahead of me in sight, and I'll be headed westbound.
French Valley traffic, helicopter 364 Mike on final for taxiway 36, midfield.
Apple Valley.
Keep your eyes open for planes here.
French Valley traffic, Skyline A2 Romeo Zulu is taking runway 36 for a northbound departure, French Valley.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, 1,100 feet below.
French Valley traffic, Skyhawk 9042 Quebec, over Lake Skinner Dam, 2,500 maneuvering, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, over midfield 2,800. We're going to enter right traffic, 36, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, 38 Alpha, right crosswind departing to the east, climbing to 5,000.
French Valley traffic, red and white experimental taking 36 straight out, French Valley.
French Valley helicopter 870 Hotel, about 5 miles out, inbound for runway 36.
Traffic,
French Valley traffic,
6
Cherokee
o'clock,
130
1
Juliet
mile,
Mike,
1,100 feet
we're
above.
over midfield now, right downwind, full stop 36.
Traffic,
French
4
Valley.
o'clock, half mile, 1,100 feet below. Traffic, 3 o'clock, 1 mile, 1,100 feet below.
Valley traffic, Cessna 2155 Juliet, taking the active 36 for a south departure.
$500.
French Valley traffic, helicopter 364 Mike, taking off from the taxiway 36 into left cross traffic.
French Valley traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, downwind to right base, full stop 36, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Banana 09er Yankee, 3,500 feet, 6 miles to the west, inbound runway 36, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, right base 36, full stop, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, helicopter 70 Hotel is 3 miles to the west, inbound, and will be using for taxiways remaining clear of the runways, French Valley.
Comanche 55 Charlie Yankee, one New Reno over Lake Gray, OA 4500.
French Valley traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, base to final 36, full stop, French Valley.
And French Valley traffic 154 Charlie Romeo holding short of 36 for traffic on final. French Valley traffic, Bonanza 09 Yankee is now 3 miles to the
Short
west.
final runway
We'll
36.
enter a right crosswind for runway 36, French Valley. French Valley traffic, helicopter 70 hotels left base for the taxiway, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, helicopter 364 Mike on left downwind for taxiway 36.
E18.
Valley 7340, just 3.5 miles, 4 miles east of Skylark, departing northbound for Alaska, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Bonanza 23 Delta, restaurant taxi runway 36, French Valley.
Nice.
Thank you.
French Valley traffic, Bonanza 09 Yankee, entering right crosswind, runway 36, French Valley.
Traffic maneuvering over Lake Skinner. What altitude you at?
I'm coming up 3,500, 904 Quebec.
To stay there, or you climbing up?
Just 3,500. I'm going to be doing a couple Shondales to the south.
Alright, we got you in sight. We're on the north side. We're going to be kind of working our way towards your direction, but we'll be above you at 5.
Okay, I'll just work a little bit more south. French Valley traffic 154 Charlie Romeo is taking runway 36. Looking for a right downwind departure 270 overhead, French Valley. We're going to the west.
French Valley traffic 130 Juliet Mike, clear the active Alpha 3, taxi to the restaurant, French Valley.